Welcome to the channel. So when you search Wokwi Animator, so you just search Wokwi Animator and then click on it. Here, as you can see, you can find a lot of animated stickers. So you just click on it and then the code is under it. There's no need for you to write any code. The code has been already generated for you, so you can just copy it or even download it. Okay, so there are a lot of stickers here. So and when you come here too, so you just search wokwi.com and then just click on it. Here you can find a lot of simulated work here. So as you can see, you just read and then you get to understand what everything is about. Okay. Any project that you click on it, you can get the code there and then the simulated project too, and it works just like the way it will work when you do it. And this project too, okay, so let's take this example. Like, let's pick this project. Okay, so this project too, as you can see, the code and then the project. So this is the library. In case you want to build the same project, this is the library that you have to install. Okay, this is the library that you have to install. Okay, so this is the code.